If you're encountering issues with downloading apps on your iPhone or iPad, I've got you covered with a variety of solutions to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you'll soon be back to seamlessly downloading apps from the App Store. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, so you don't miss any crucial steps. Firstly, navigate to your device's settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down until you locate the Sign Out button. Then proceed to sign out of your account by entering your Apple ID password and signing back in. Next, head back to Settings and access the Screen Time section. Click on Content Privacy Restrictions followed by Allowed Apps. Enter your screen time password and ensure that all apps are allowed. Then navigate to Content Restrictions and check that Allow All Apps is selected. If the above steps didn't resolve the issue, return to Settings and find the App Store settings. Under Mobile Data, ensure that App Downloads is set to Always Allow. In case you're still facing difficulties, try toggling airplane mode on and off from the control center. Wait a few moments before reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Consider checking the stability and speed of your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switching to a different Wi-Fi network or ensuring that 4G is enabled may help if your connection is slow or unstable. Lastly, if none of the previous steps worked, restart your iPhone or iPad. Holding down the power button until the slide to power off prompt appears, then power off your device and restart it. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve any issues you're experiencing with downloading apps from the App Store. If this video was helpful, drop a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.